Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking rules. Read Roblox terms of use and the specific game's rules because policies determine what's allowed. Once done, decide whether you need automation for accessibility versus gaining an advantage. That changes how to proceed. Make sure your account is secure with two-step verification and a strong password. This reduces risk if third-party tools are involved. Don't skip this step. Understanding the why prevents account bans and keeps your play safe. Next, prioritize supported, safe alternatives. Use Roblox's built-in keybinds or ask the game developer for an accessibility option. If you need repeat input, explore your operating system's accessibility features or controller profiles instead of third-party auto-pressers because they are less likely to violate rules. Test any change in a private server or single-player mode so you can observe behavior, adjust timing, and make sure it won't interfere with intended gameplay or trigger anti-cheat mechanisms. Finally, validate everything. Run a controlled session and confirm the input behaves as expected without harming gameplay. If you remain unsure about permissibility, contact the game developer or Roblox support for guidance. They can clarify allowed tools. If something goes wrong, unusual lag, errors, or warnings, immediately disable any external tools and restore default controls, then review logs. This approach keeps your account safe and respects the community rules while achieving needed accessibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.